Hi, and welcome to Vegans Taste Better.
I'm Louis.
And I'm Mandy.
This is
Meat Week.
Yay! Jazz hands for Meat Week.
We have 3 different types of that we are going to try this week. First, we have Tofurky brand plant-based ham-style roast. After that, we have Gardein turkey cutlets and Gardein buffalo wings?
Barbecue wings.
Barbecue wings. So we're going to start with ham.
Why?
Because that's what
I'm
I
gonna
said
start
we
with
were
this
going to do.
thing. Oh,
God
okay.
damn it, woman. Follow the script.
It's Mother's Day.
I do what I want.
Speak sound. Okay, so it rends like actual flesh.
Ew. What does rend mean?
I don't know.
Ham.
So, we did not roast our pig Omar.
This does not smell good.
What do you think it smells like?
Ham.
Well, that's what it's supposed to smell like. So, how does it taste?
Tastes very ham-like, I think. Very salty.
Very salty. Now this has an amber ale glaze on it.
Oh, like beer?
Yeah,
Oh.
it's good.
I think it's alright. I think after you chew it for a while, all the flavor's gone.
It kind of reminds me of like a jerky product.
Yeah.
Or like a, those, what are those called? The meat stick.
A Slim
Stick.
Jim?
Yeah, like a Slim Jim.
Hold on, we've barely talked about this yet. It's barely out of our mouths.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I think it's,
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
good.
All you people
It's
listening.
alright. It's got a very strong aftertaste, I would say.
For $13, I actually got it on sale. Because I like to save money whenever
It's
I
also
can.
not very big.
It's 19 ounces, so it's over a pound of flesh.
But it would probably only feed like 4 people with 1 serving each, right?
Yeah.
So don't plan on having this
I
be
think
the
5
centerpiece
servings.
of your family dinner.
Yeah, I think it's good. It's not worth $13.
Also, like, it's got these like white specks in it that are kind of creepy.
Kinda
Is that
creepy.
meant to be like fat deposits or something?
I think something like that, or gristle. I think all the Tofurky sausage type products have that though.
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, it would be like for a special occasion. It would be a good thing to have. It's not an everyday.
I don't think it would impress meat eaters.
I'm impressed by the product. I give it 4 Omar heads.
I think I'm only gonna give it 3.
So we're gonna cleanse our palates.
This cleansing palates thing, you didn't consult me.
Next we have the Gardein
Turkey cutlets.
turkey cutlets. Now it comes with a gravy packet, and we do have the gravy for it, but I actually mixed it with some shiitake mushrooms to make it more.
Gravy, because usually the gravies they have are pretty bland. Really?
So we're doing it without gravy.
Yeah, this is sans gravy.
I'm impressed with that. The breading is really good.
So I wouldn't say it tastes like actual turkey. What it reminds me of is like
A chick
calamari.
patty. It reminds me of a chick patty.
I would say it was closer to calamari. Fried calamari.
It does taste a little fishy. There it is, close up. You can see the breading. It's got a good texture.
Yeah.
It's not like rubbery or anything.
Mm-hmm. I don't think a meat eater would be fooled by this thing. I
think they'd be more fooled by that than that.
Yeah. I don't know why we need to fool meat eaters though.
Because we want them to eat this stuff instead of...
actual meat. But
Yeah, we gotta trick them all.
They're not Pokemon.
Gotta trick them all. Meat eaters.
We just want people to stop eating animals. And this is a transition step towards not eating animals.
Or like vegans can eat this
Yeah. Well, I mean,
whenever they want.
yeah, but it's like these are not things we eat every day.
Oh.
I give it 4 Elmore heads.
I give it 4 too.
Tastes good. It's not as, it doesn't seem to be as salty as the ham, but ham is supposed to be salty.
Yeah. I don't remember ham really.
Yeah, I never liked ham. So our last meat item is sweet and tangy barbecue wings.
We have 2
But I have
nuggets.
Yeah, we have 2 nugs. So let's taste these tasty nugs.
Sweet and tangy.
It's sweet and tangy. Now this one, I think imitates actual meat a little bit more than the other 2.
Yeah, this tastes like
Because when you
baked
chew it,
chicken. Like I used to get baked chicken with barbecue sauce on it. That was actually my favorite thing, barbecue chicken.
so it definitely has that like kind of stringier flesh, which is disgusting. But so this one, it kind of has an unpleasant aftertaste.
I don't think so. I think this does. This was offensive to me,
But
but not really, because I gave it 3 stars.
when you're eating it, I think it tastes really good. It's the sauce is not really sweet and it's not really salty again, so it's like pleasant. It's not overpowering, so it's not like a really strong flavor. But the only thing I don't like about it is that I feel like it has a little bit of an aftertaste.
I don't think it does. I think this was my favorite.
I think I actually like the sweet and tangy the best. But they're all pretty comparable. I give that also
Yeah.
a 4. 4 or 4.5. I think that one's slightly better than the other 2. I like these 2, the ham and the turkey, about the same.
I'd give these a 4. This
So
one's
the
a,
turkey's the best for
This
you.
one's a 2. This one's a 3. This one's a 4.
Okay.
I think.
And I think these 2, the turkey and the ham, are about the same. So I give them both a 4.
That's
and I
shocking.
think the sweet and tangy is marginally better than the other 2. And I give it like 4.5.
I cannot believe this and this is the same for you.
Yeah, I never liked ham when I wasn't vegan.
Thank God. Can you imagine if you were eating all those pigs? You'd feel so bad now.
I did used to eat like Slim Jim type things. And I get that from this. That nostalgia. From the texture and the flavor. It really reminds me of meat sticks. But again, 20 years ago. So
Yeah. I don't know.
that's a long time. And
I normally like everything. Like I was fully expecting everything to be a 4-star. Because there are not many foods that I don't like, but
you know, just all.
I
You don't think it has anything to do with us having a pet pig?
don't think it has anything to do with Omar.
So this has been Meat Week. Like, subscribe, comment below, and
Bye.
enjoy the rest of Meatless Man. Bye.
I
Okay.
think it's weird to
We
me
should ask Omar what he thinks. Is that cannibalism?
to have him try this. No.
No, when they come up with a mock human meat product.
That would be cool. Why don't they do that? You
Because
just
that's
came up with
disgusting.
$1 billion idea.
No, that is not $1 billion.
Start our human meat business now.